Hey everyone, Daniel from Zone of Tech here. And if you're anything like me, you love building, customizing, and pushing your tech to the limit. That's why I trust Makers Hut. They create high-quality 3D printing accessories that are built for makers who don't settle for average. From precision nozzles to bed leveling tools, these upgrades save time, boost print accuracy, and honestly, they just make the whole process smoother. If you're into DIY, design, or building something awesome from scratch, this is how you take your setup to the next level. Trust me, once you try Makers Hut, your printer will never feel complete without it. Head to Makers Hut now and